Guys, if you got a Honda Accord or a Honda product, it's got a bad back seat, and you can on it remove the base. A lot of people don't realize there's no bolts in the base. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove it. You gotta come around the other side here, and you simply lift up on the seat. It's on almost like hinges. Just grab a hold of it. And give it a couple good yanks. That's what holds it in on these Hondas. Hang on. We got some glass here I'm going to have to get cleaned up. Give me 1 second, guys. Be right back with you. Yeah, this car's got a busted window in it and all the glass is inside the car. I got still some of it in the way. 1 second, be right back with you. Hey, what's up, guys? Like I said, this seat's bad, so we're not worried about tearing it up and taking it out. But when you fold the front piece down, you can access, and this corner of the seat just flips up right here. So this car had a lot of problems. So this whole back seat's getting replaced with this. You can access the bolts to the middle section of the seat, which are right down there on that bracket, as you can see. But this corner piece will fold out the way, and we can yank them out. One second, guys. Once you get those bolts undone in the corner, guys, you can take the center section of this back seat, take it right out. And then this bottom piece, you got a bolt. Let me get in here to show you all. There's the bolt. Right there you got to undo.